What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And if you're not already, sis, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Theharelife and Theharelife Official. So let's get into today's video. This video is sponsored by Beauty Forever Hair. I'm going to be showing you guys the installation of this beautiful highlighted V-part wig. I am absolutely in love with these curls and this color, so let's get into it. So here's what the unit looked like fresh out of the packaging. You guys can see the curls are very tight and defined, and you guys can see the highlights. The construction of the actual unit was very, very good, and I will say at first it seemed like the V area wasn't cut down all the way, but when I tell you guys, this V part was the easiest to install as far as installing it without any leave out. It laid so flat down to my head, as you guys can see in the beginning and you'll see in the end. It was super, super easy to install. So I did wash this and deep condition it off camera, and I let it air dry. So you guys will see when I put it onto my mannequin head, the curls were a little scrunched up because I just kind of like threw it in my dryer. So I'm gonna spray water all on it, and we're gonna detangle and apply the foaming mousse. So I'm gonna let you guys watch that. And that was literally all I did to the hair. Threw a couple light layers in it, and that was it, you guys. Like, super quick and easy.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the border. Got see yours out, got me beat by Verona. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family if you run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight them in a team. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a band while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get 5 face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple rocks. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock 'em out, but then I throw 'em off the boat.